Hello, good morning all. Welcome back to science class. So today we can discuss the remaining part of the chapter, that is the motion and time. In page number 148, you can see the measuring speed. How can we measure the speed? To measure the speed, we studied one formula. What is that? Total distance covered by the total time taken. So here you can see activities, different activities are there. In table, page number 150, two tables are there, table 13.3 and 13.4. In the first table, you have to do name of the group or name of the person, distance moved by, and this activity is by using a ball. You have to roll the ball over the ground. Okay, the activity is clearly mentioned there in the textbook. Just read the activity and do the activity like that by using a single ball, by using yourself or your cousins or your friends. Okay, then write the name of the people or name of the group. Then distance moved by the ball and the time taken. You have to use or measure the time very accurately or very correctly by using your watch. Then what is the formula? If you are getting the distance and also time, then speed we can easily find out. How it is? Speed is equal to distance divided by time taken. And what is the unit of speed? Meter per second. So what we are getting? We are getting the speed in meter per second. How much meter in 1 second? Then how can we convert this into kilometer per hour? So if you are getting this kind of meter per second reading, that is the apt one, then this is the apt measurement for movement in very small or very slow rate. Okay, but in case of the speed of a vehicle, bus, car, or any other kind of vehicle, can we use this unit, meter per second? No, it's not convenient for us. At that time, we are using the second one, that is a kilometer per hour. So, in next table, you can see the fastest speed that some animals can attain. Okay, so here it is given speed in kilometer per hour. Then next table or next column, you have to convert the speed into meter per second. How it is? One example is given there. Name of the object, there is a falcon, one bird with a high speed. Okay, parindam. So speed in kilometer per hour, that is 320. How can we convert 320 into 1000 that we studied in 6th standard? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 320 into 1000 will get the speed in meter. Okay, the next is the per hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 into 60. 160 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 we have to do. Like this you will get the units of all the other objects by doing the same way. The other one is cheetah. We know what is cheetah. So 112 is the speed in kilometer per hour. Like this you will get the answer. So try to find out and fill the table. Then speedometer and odometer. So have you noticed the dashboard of a car? Dashboard of the picture is given here, 13.7, figure 13.7. So you can see here two readings, 2 meter readings are there. One is the speedometer and the other one is the odometer. The speedometer means this is the speed in kilometer per hour. What is the speed of that vehicle at that time? In kilometer per hour, you can see what is it. Then what is the odometer? What is the total distance moved by that vehicle? From the beginning, how much kilometer it is completed. Okay. Then the last part of the chapter, that is a distance time graph. Are you familiar with the graph? Graph work in mathematics? Yes, that is very simple. If we are getting two readings and we can represent these two readings on two axes. One is the x axis and the other one is the y-axis. Different types of graphs are there. One is a bar graph. Bar graph you can see in page number 151, figure 13.8. Another one is a pie chart. Pie chart that we studied in the same year, that is composition of air. Composition of air consists of oxygen, then other gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Pie chart. Another one is a line graph. Line graph you can see 13.10. Line graph showing the change of weight of a man with age. So we want to take, for showing this line graph, we want to take two axes. One axis the age and the other axis the weight. Like this we can prepare the distance time graph. Okay, so in order to prepare one graph, here some measurements are available. In table 13.5 you can see some measurements. That is the time. 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30 and 10. Odometer reading. Odometer reading is given. Distance is also given there. Okay. From this data, you can find out easily what is the distance covered by that vehicle in between 8 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9 o'clock and 9 o'clock to 9:30, like this you will get. In order to make a graph, another reading is given here. Table 13.6. Time. So initially both x-axis and y-axis represent 0. So we can start to draw line graph from the 0, that is from the position O, that is 0. Then what is 1 minute time that we can take along the x-axis, and the distance we can take along the y-axis. So in page number 152 and 153, all the steps are given how to draw the graph, how to draw the distance time graph. Okay, so we'll get what is the distance covered by the vehicle in 1 minute, 2 minutes, like this. Okay, the measurement usually time we have to take. In a graph paper we can see all these are in centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like this it is arranged, the lines. So we want to take the convenient readings. 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter we can take, or 5 minutes is equal to 1 centimeter we can take, 10 minutes we can take as 1 centimeter. That is our own, based on our own this reading or convenience, we have to decide the units. Then distance is also same. Here it is 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. That we can take 10 kilometers equal to 1 centimeter or 20 kilometers equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, that is up to you. That is based on the data we have today. If the data is very small or very less measurement, we can take the units as also very simple or very less. Otherwise, we have to convert it into the corresponding data. Okay, so distance time deck. All of you want to study how to draw the distance time graph in graph paper. That's all about the chapter. Thank you.